So what is this? A JBL Clip. Ooh, look at this. That's how this looks like. If the battery is dead, you can use this thing to plug into your phone. There's a USB charger, comes with a charge cable. Goes in here, and then you charge it. Small little microphone. This is buttons. When you push those, things happen. For example, if I turn this on, then the blue light comes on and this thing is ready. There's a Bluetooth button for pairing, plus minus for volume, and let's go here in my settings thing. Bluetooth, here clip plus, oh, this one here is already connected. And means I can play stuff. Let me find a song. Okay. You can change the volume in here. Here, this is from this thing, right? Where is it here? There. Clips into something. So, next thing I'm going to show you is how to take this thing apart and have a look inside.